Hello, in lecture number 5 of logic gate and logic families, in lecture number 5 we will study proofs of Boolean laws. What is the meaning of Boolean laws? We already studied in lecture number 3rd. There are different types of Boolean laws are present such as ANDing law, ORing law, etc. Now we will study the simplification of Boolean laws by using right hand side and left hand side. Here by using Boolean, there are different types of Boolean laws are present as well as theorems. De Morgan's theorem, duality theorems are present. By using De Morgan's theorem, duality theorem and Boolean laws, we will solve the Boolean expressions. Proofs of Boolean laws using simplification method. When proof is done with the help of simplification, LHS and RHS are simplified using basic Boolean laws. Then by matching LHS and RHS law theorem, expressions can be proven. Now simplification of Boolean expression using Boolean law. There are two methods to simplification of the Boolean laws. First one is the Boolean laws method and second one is the K-map method. But in chapter number 2nd we will study simplification by using Boolean laws, and in chapter number 3rd we will solve for the simplification use K-map method. Then what is the necessity of Boolean simplification of Boolean expression? What is the necessity? By using simplification of Boolean laws, less number of logic gates are required, so there is necessary to simplify the Boolean expressions. This is the first example. See here, in this example, y is equal to ab bar plus a bar plus ab again bar, complement of these expressions. Now for that purpose, there are different types of different types of methods are used, such as first one is the De Morgan's theorem used, after that Boolean laws are used, and after that duality theorem are used. Now how to solve these equations? This is the given expression. This one is the given expression ab bar plus ab again bar. Now by using this one is your De Morgan's theorem. Which is De Morgan's theorem? Here a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. This is the De Morgan's theorem. By using De Morgan's theorem we will solve these expressions. How it is solved this expression? This term is the a b c, so there is again a double bar, AB bar having a AB bar and bar, so here as the AB double bar dot, addition sign is converted, here addition sign is converted into multiplication, so AB double bar dot a bar double bar. Why a double bar? Because here given expression is in this fashion, so a double bar, here I am taking as a double bar. Here I am taking as a double bar plus AB bar. Here no bar are present in between AB bar, so here a single bar is present. Now what is the meaning of by using Boolean laws? A double bar, A double bar is nothing but A, so AB double bar is nothing but AB, so first one is the AB. Now a double bar is nothing but a, and this AB bar is again as it is. Now a into a is nothing but a, so instead of taken two times a, here I am taken only one time a. Now this b as it is dot AB bar, but here again De Morgan's theorem I apply. Which theorem? AB bar. Here again I am apply De Morgan's theorem. AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This one is your De Morgan's theorem. So by using this De Morgan's theorem, here write as the AB plus instead of AB bar here I am writing as A bar plus B bar. So apply, here the multiplication process is done. So now AB into A bar plus AB into B bar. Now this A into A bar is nothing but your 0. B into B bar is nothing but your 0. And 0 multiplied by any term, answer is 0. So your final answer of this expression is y is equal to 0. Now the second example is the y is equal to AB plus AB bar plus AB. So multiply these two terms are multiply here. These two terms are multiply first. Here I am taking as this A is multiply with this A. So A into A plus this A is multiply with B bar. So A into B bar. Now this B is multiply with A. So B dot A, and this B is multiply with B bar. So here B into B bar, and in bracket this term is as it is. Now A into A is nothing but 2 times A. A into A is nothing but A. We already studied in ANDing law. So A plus AB bar plus AB, and B into B bar is nothing but your 0. In after bracket A bar plus B. Now A plus AB bar plus AB, again I am bracket A bar plus B. Now in these two terms, which term is common here? A term is common here. So A plus A, B into B bar is nothing but 0. B into B bar is nothing but 0. So A plus A dot 0 is nothing but 0. So here term is the A plus 0 is nothing but A term is here present. Now A bar plus B. Again multiply A into A bar plus A into B. So A into A bar is nothing but your 0, and final term is the A in AB is the final sum. So after solving these expressions, answer is the A into B. Now I am taking this example. Prove A plus B, first bracket A plus B, and in second bracket A plus C is equal to A plus BC. Now I am taking as left hand side. After solving left hand side, this left hand side simplify, and then we will get the right hand side. How it is get? First see here, this A is multiplied with A. So here I am writing as A into A plus this A is multiplied with C. Now I am writing as B into A, and after that B into C. Solving these expressions. Now A into A is nothing but A plus A into A is nothing but A plus A into C plus A into B plus BC. Now here which term is common here? A term is common here. So bracket present as 1 plus C. In bracket present as 1 plus C. 1 plus C is present, and after bracket that A plus B AB plus BC. Now what is the meaning of 1 plus C? 1 plus C is nothing but A. 1 plus C is nothing but A. Again I am writing as these two term as it is, AB plus BC. Now in these two terms, which term is common here? A term is common here. So in bracket remaining term is 1 plus B, and in after bracket BC as it is. Now 1 plus B is nothing but 1. So write as here A plus BC, and this term 1 plus AC and this term A plus BC, both the terms are same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this fashion to solve the Boolean expressions. Now I am taking another example. I am taking also another example. I am taking as example as A, B, C, D plus A, B bar, A, B, C, D or A, B bar, A, B bar, C, D, A, B bar, C, D. To solve these expressions, now which term is common here? Here is the ACD term is common. ACD term is common. So remaining in bracket which term is present here? B plus B bar term is present here. So ACD, B plus B bar is nothing but your 1. So final answer is ACD is the final answer. In this fashion, we will solve the left hand side as well as right hand side. Now, I am taking another example for function f is equal to x bar y plus x y bar. Find the complement of f. Find the complement of f. How to solve these expressions? F taking complement of f bar. So here complement of f is nothing but x bar y plus x y bar complement. So apply De Morgan's theorem. How to apply De Morgan's theorem? X bar dot y bar. This is the first point, and here the addition is converted into multiplications. Addition is converted into multiplications. Addition is converted into multiplication, and in second bracket x y bar again bar. X y bar again bar. Now again I am applying De Morgan's theorem as it is x double bar y plus y. Why I am taking here? This is the multiplication sign. So this multiplication sign is converted into addition sign by using De Morgan's theorem. Again y bar, and here the dot as it is, and this one is the x bar plus y double bar. So here I am taking as x plus y bar, x plus y bar dot x bar x bar x bar plus y. This is your final answer of this expression. Now multiply this term into this. So again I am repeat here x, this is the multiplication process. So x is multiplied with x bar, x into x bar plus x bar y bar, x bar y bar. Here y bar is multiplied with x bar, so y bar is multiplied with x bar again plus here x multiplied with y, x multiplied with y, or y multiplied with y bar, y multiplied with y bar. Now see here x into x bar is nothing but 0. plus y into y bar is nothing but 0. So remaining term, these two terms are present. Which term is present? X bar y bar plus xy. These two terms are present here, plus xy terms are present here. Here this both t term, this term is 0 as well as this term is 0. So remaining answer is the x bar y bar plus xy bar. Here the complement of f is taken here.